Before maps had borders, before dust knew roads, I was locked in apparent body pressure in the codes. No crown, no witness, no legend on display, just ancient matter learning how to outlive decay. Born where the chondrules lost edges in the heat, thermal metamorphism made equilibrium complete. Petrologic type 6, recrystallized grain, a furnace without firelight, chemistry without name. L group signature, ordinary by class, yet ordinary means nothing when 4 billion years pass. Olivine held firelight, 24.5 Ferromagnesian scripture keeping deep time alive. Low cap high roxine F's 20.6, whoa 1.5 in the mineral mix. High cafes carried in the coded frame, crystal ratios talking while the cosmos stayed unnamed. Metal meteorite in a microscopic braid, finely intergrown textures from conditions long decayed. Nickel iron beside sulfide, woven tight inside a geological cipher with no reason left to hide. Then collision row percussion through the lattice like drum. Shock stage S3, see what pressure becomes. Not total annihilation, still the fabric took scars. A compact archive catching violence between stars. Fracture, compression, momentum in a flash. Orbit broke cadence when the parent structure crashed. I left that ancient workshop with no passport, no plea, just a trajectory opening where gravity could see. Vacuum kept the silence, cold miles kept score, till atmosphere rose like a furnace at the door. Velocity met molecules, compression turned bright. Ablation stripped the surface through a hypersonic night. Outside vitrified, dark fusion crust sealed. Heat painted the boundary while the interior stayed concealed. No witness fall entered any official line. The sky kept that chapter, earth inherited the sign. Sonoran ground caught weight beneath the merciless sun. One solitary specimen, now fragments on the run. 6143 grams resting close to ore, while abandoned mining cunning country slept beside the floor. January 30th, 2014, on the page a prospector searched for gold, found a different kind of age. Funny how the richest thing wasn't yellow in the sand. Treasure isn't always metal, somebody planned. I came carrying pressure that no scale could explain. A black rim memorandum written deeper than a vein. Not currency, not jewelry, not a glittering reward. I was planetary memory waiting to be restored. And a cut face open, laboratory lights awake. Thin section window showed what naked eyes could mistake. Numbers turned mineral, textures turned testimony. Petrography translated in extraterrestrial chronology. Fa and olivine F's inside the chain. Walmart, king calcium where pyroxenes remain. Feldspar, logdor, and calibrated speech. Every polished micron put another epoch within reach. The over M gave ratios, analytical bars, not mythology measurements, reconstructing scars. 164 grams into curated record space, while a wafer under optics carried evidence in place. Weathering grade W1, earth barely touched the skin. Minor alteration after everything before had been. Desert residents whispered, didn't override the text. Terrestrial chemistry arrived comparatively next. L6, that label is a headline, not the whole affair. Equilibrated silicates keep older processes there. A classification box can organize a stone, but microstructure tells you what the specimen is known. Read the intergrowth, read the grain, read the crust, read the strain. Every phase is evidence, every boundary leaves a trace. Deep time forensic work, a matter falling out of space. No autograph required, no hero carved above. Only thermodynamics, impact, atmosphere and dust. I began beyond the desert where no human trail could run. Changed beneath internal heat long before this present sunlit ground survived. Television physics crossed an atmospheric gate, reached an aura carrying an unrequested date. They hunted for a fortune measured ounce by ounce. I answered with the history no market could announce. Gold comes from a ledger, I came speaking through a slide. Mineralogy on the mic with cosmic time inside. So call me La Cienega, got the ladder in the frame. Official classification finally anchored to the name. L group type 6, weak shock weathered only slight. A fusion coded witness from a journey out of sight. No prophecy, no fantasy, no fabricated glow. Just phase chemistry revealing what the specimen can show. From parabody furnace to a sonoran finding zone. The universe dropped evidence, Earth picked up one stone. Earth picked up one stone.